Okay, if you've been wondering how to use salicylic acid to get rid of acne, if you have acne prone skin, then this video is for you, Kemi. You've been wondering if salicylic acid isn't in your lineup of skincare ingredients right now or skincare products right now, then you've been sleeping on it. So I don't know what you're waiting for, because this bad boys gets deep into your pores to unclog your, clogged pores like a champion, right? According to dermatologists, it can reduce breakouts by 50% in as little as 4 weeks. That is amazing. But remember, too much of it can also leave your skin as dry as the Harmattan season. So start slow and give it time to work. Always give any skincare product you use, give it time to work. Why? Because Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is perfect skin. So just take your time, check it out and see how it works for your skin. Don't be quick to conclude that it's not a particular skincare product is not working for your skin. At least give it up to 4 weeks, because that's what dermatology says. Research says that it can actually clear your skin up in 4 weeks or extended. So give it time. Let's see how it works on your skin before jumping into starting to use another skincare products. Until next time, I'll see you.